Automatic project generation. Automatic project generation is done through the command Excel automation. This enables the user to automatically create projects from predefined macros or circuits. The drawings could be loop diagrams for instrumentation, or indeed motor control circuits. Let's have a look at one of the macros. The macros contain variables. Variables are signified by a word prefixing and suffixing with a percent character. Excel automation can be triggered by either selecting the Import/Export tab and creating a new Excel for automation, or we can do it directly from within Excel with the ElectWorks plugin. The ElectWorks plugin enables you to create a blank Excel file with predefined values. Filling in the variables such as the macro name, the position of where you want the macro to be inserted, the page, the description of the page, and other variables such as the manufacturer, part information, component tags, rating values, etc. And this information will automatically be populated into the variables of the circuits. Simply select Excel Automation, point to the Excel spreadsheet, and ElectWorks will automatically create multiple drawings from the Excel data.